Is it? Oh, alright. It might be available, huh? To the public. Might lang. Hindi ko lang sure. But it's good. And then, lakad ulit. Lakad. Lakad ulit. So, lakad ulit. Chillax place ulit. Yan. Ito pa hindi part ng park. Yung building niyan. Kita nyo. Maraming other place syempre na kailangan pang improve. So, it will take some time but not a lot of time, guys. Kasi nag-start na sila. Grabe. Kita yung mga puno na yan. Oh. Kita yung mga, dito na po yung mga yan. Inang-isang pa sila. Yan. Si kuya na naglilinis. Ito po ay medyo kailangan bang maayos-ayos na area. Pero, baka may basketball court. Ayun po, oh. Yan. May basketball court sa Bayan Park. Keep off the grass. Tignan nyo po yung mga, hashtag Celine. Yan. Paka-identify ko ng mga puno na yan. Okay. Some are like, ano nga yun? Naglit lang. Yan. Tignan nyo ba? It has cones. Diba? So I guess it's pine trees. Meron ba kasi isang parang mukhang pine tree na tree pero hindi naman siya pine tree. Kalimutan ko yung kanyang pangalan. Oh. There's another seeing area. Kita nyo, diba? Sabi niya, Adaw Forest Program. So, at least Pine Park has a program. This portion of forest within Bayan Park with an area of 490 square meters or 0.049 hectare is adopted by Human Settlements Adjudication Commission or HSAC in coordination with the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Cordillera Administrative Region or the DENR CAR through the Community Environment and Natural Resources Office or the Central Baguio and City Environment and Parks Management Office or CEMO. So, ang kanilang tagline, Better Environment, Better Tomorrow. O baka meron pong may gusto, di go! Salid mo kayo dyan. Yun. Yan. Uy! Medyo madulas pala to. Antik na ako dun. Pero anyway, got lang. Wow. Ito, I think, ang building ng fire, police station. Tapos, ito naman yata ang fire. Yan. So, park. Pakapit bahay mo ay fire station. Tapos, mga establishments with a lot of food dun sa baba. Tapos, yan. Tama ba? But anyway, yeah, just check it out pagdating nyo na lang po dito sa may Bayan Park. Meron sa nag-vlog. It will take you around 10 to 15 minutes coming here. Yan, it's so free. Mga gusto po ng hindi lang Burnham ang puntahan na park sa Baguio, you can always come and visit Bayan Park. Okay. Yeah. Ayan. Wala pa tayo sa exit eh. Ayun. Another picnic area. Malawang-lawang. Kaka-open pero marami pa rin po community. Gusto ko makita ng mga ganyan. Oh. Yan. Ano yan? Puno na yan. Ay, hindi ko mahalala talaga yung pangalan ng tree na to. Anyway. Yan. Also, as of this time, close pa siya yung campsite na to sa amin. Bayan Park campsite. You have to register at CEMO before camping. And always follow this motto in camping. Lahat po ng camping ito po sasabi. Leave no trace, take memories, leave footprints. Always fire with care. Use the pit, never leave it. Respect others, stay quiet, and sharp is yan. So, as of today, close pa siya. Or wala pa kasi nag-rent ng space na to. It's a good place to camp. Ayan. Oh, ha? Luwang-luwang, no? Okay. It's a good camping area. Good job. Magandang ka ng pag-rehabilitate. Manuwang pa po ang space. Doon din na-develop at ang area na to. Kita niyo yan, may basketball court. Pero hindi pa po yan. Hindi na po yan part ni Bayan Park. Nasa labas po yan ng kanyang area. Yan. Pero ito, yan. Part ni Bayan Park ito. Another mini theater. Chillax area. Diba? So, dati, ganito naman no siya. Pero talagang kailangan siya ma-rehabilitate kasi ang daming puno. Park naman ang dating. Park na park talagang dating niya doon. Pero, you know, it's actually made better now.
Saya nila may playground. Okay lang. Mag-park.
Medyo naghahanap ng maluwang-luwang na space. Another park. We're also here in Baguio City. Just like 10 to 12 minutes, 15 minutes away. Ayan, basta maaga po kayo. May parkingan po kayo dyan. Ayan. Welcome po sa ating Bayan Park. Okay. Ayan, so I guess there's more to come in here. So far wala pa kayo nakikita nagbebenta ng food. Let's see if the SECMO or the government will allow. Local government will allow. But as of today, you have to bring your own food. Pag pumunta po kayo dito sa area. Although anyway, don't worry. Yan po yung mga area na yan. Yan. Dahil community or village naman siya, marami naman po kayong mabibilhan. Marami po kayong maging problema sa mga food na pwede nyo dalhin dito. Alright? And there it goes. Exit na. Okay. I had my morning walk also. Oh, another note. Kung nakikita nyo pa yung mga mountains na yun. Yan. It's part of like Ambyong Mountain yata. Yan. Pero at least maganda siyang tingnan. Yun pong mag-cloud watching. Tapos yung bundok naman yan. That's actually Carino na. Carino Mountain. Yan. Or Patrindad area. But anyway, marami pa kayo makikita bundok dito. So, another way of mountain viewing. Yan. Okay. And here it goes. Exit. Thank you for watching. Welcome po kayo.